In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a gift card from Amazon. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start with a few important points. First of all, once you redeem a gift card on Amazon and the balance is added to your account, you cannot delete, remove, or transfer that balance back to the card. But don't worry, if your goal is to manage how that balance is used at checkout, or if you want to remove an unredeemed gift card from your saved wallet, I'm here to help. To begin, if you have a gift card balance that you've already redeemed, but you don't want it to apply to a specific purchase, you can prevent Amazon from using it on such orders. This can be quite handy if you prefer to pay with another method for a particular item. To do this, go ahead and add the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart. Once you're ready, proceed to the checkout page. There, look for the Payment Methods section located on the final checkout page. It's a straightforward process. Now, what you need to do next is to find the checkbox that says Use your gift and promotional balance. Just uncheck this box. By doing this, you are informing Amazon that you don't want your gift card balance to be applied for that specific transaction. But let's say you accidentally redeemed a gift card to the wrong account. Although Amazon's official policy states that balances cannot be transferred, there's a chance that their customer support might make an exception if contacted correctly. In case this happens, your best bet is to reach out to Amazon customer service. It's wise to ask to speak with a manager when you do so. When you connect with them, be ready to answer some account security questions to verify your identity. You will also need to provide the details of the unused gift card. This way, they'll have all the necessary information to possibly transfer the balance to the correct account. Don't forget that staying calm and polite during these conversations can go a long way, and it shows your willingness to resolve the issue amicably. So to recap, if you want to manage your gift card balance effectively, or if you've mistakenly applied it to the wrong account, it's all about knowing the right steps to take. You start by either managing the balance during checkout by unchecking a couple of boxes, or by contacting customer service to rectify any mistakes. And that wraps it up. Navigating gift card balances can be a bit complex, but with these tips, you'll be able to handle them like a pro. If you have any questions, or if you'd like more tips on managing your Amazon account, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more great guides. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on Amazon.